Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see that how we can create a GIF using Python. So before starting, go to the file location where you have stored your file. In that location, make sure that you have keep all your images files which you want to convert into or store into one GIF file. So as you can see, I have kept four files and I have named them r1.jpg, r2.jpg, r3.jpg and r4.jpg. Now remember the file extension also. Now after coming to the code, first of all you have to install a library that is image.io. Now the use of this library is that this library is used to read and write the images and store it into different various file formats such as GIF also. So for installing it, first you have to write pip install, then this library name that is image.io. Now when you'll execute the cell, it could take few seconds, depends on your network speed. Now after that, I have already installed it. That's why it's saying that requirement already satisfied. In your case, it could take some time. Now after that, once the library is installed, we have to import this library like this, and then I'll create a list file names, and in this list I'm going to store all the four images which we have kept in our location like this. Then there is r2.jpg, then there is r3.jpg, then the last one is r4.jpg like this. Now after that, we will create a empty list like this. Now we will use the loop for iterating over each file name which we have kept in this file names. So that's why we will use a loop. So for file name in file names means for each file name in our file names, we are going to iterate, and then we are going to append each readed file. Now we are going to read the each image file here. Now there is an inbuilt function present in this library for reading the file, and that function name is imread, or you can say imread, that is I am and read. And like this, I'll provide the name, this name which is iterating over each file name in this file names list like this. Now what will happen, this function which is the function of this image IO library will read each of this library present in each of these file names using this loop, and then the readed file each time will get appended and stored in this images list. Now after that, we'll come out of the loop, and then all the files are readed now. Now we'll save it. Now for saving, there is one more method present in the image IO library, that is mim save. Now this uh, this function takes few parameters also, like first it takes the output file name, which should be along with the extension. So which should be in .gif extension. So we haven't created that, so we will create that. Now after that, it will take the sequence parameter. So here at first we'll give the name of the GIF file, that is this. We will create this file letter, and then after that, the second parameter it takes the sequence. So the sequence is this images. So after the loop will get completed, all this readed file will get stored in this images. So we are giving this sequence here, images. Now after that, it takes the file format, what that is GIF over here. We want to store all these images in a GIF file format. So that's why we have to give GIF here. And at last, it takes the duration. So duration, it will be according to you. I have given one. So this duration means that each frame of the image will get changed after 1 second. Okay, now again we'll go to this file place over here for creating the output file. Now we'll go to this new and we'll create a text document, and now we'll rename this text document file over here. So remember I have given rs.gif, so I'll just give rs.gif over here, and then I'll press enter. Then it will pop up a notification that you want to change the file extension, so you'll click on yes, and now your file has been created, rs.gif. Now I'll again move to your code, and now everything is set. Now you'll execute your code. Okay, so it is saying that rs.gif is not present over there. Okay, again we'll do that. Okay, jpg, that's why it's now you'll see that our code has been successfully executed. Now we'll move here, and all these four images has been stored in one GIF file, and I'll open this GIF file over here, and now you will see that the four images are automatically getting changes like this after 1 second every time, like this. So I hope you like this video. This was an interesting video to create an GIF using Python. So thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.